If you want to pick the right WordPress plan for your site, comparing options side by side makes the decision easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to compare plans inside WordPress so you can choose the features and price that fit your goals. It's quick, clear, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the WordPress homepage. When the page loads, look to the top right and click the login button. Using the continue with Google option speeds things up and keeps your sign-in secure. Select the Google account tied to your WordPress site so you're sure you're editing the correct project. After signing in, you'll land in the WordPress dashboard. Think of this as your site control center. Posts, pages, settings, and upgrades all live here. To compare plans, find the upgrades or plans area in the main menu. Click through to open the upgrades page where WordPress presents available subscription tiers. Scroll through the upgrades page until you see the compare plans option. Clicking that brings up a clear comparison chart showing each plan side by side. Take your time to read this table. It's designed to highlight the differences in an easy to scan format. Look for the features that matter most to you. Common comparisons include storage limits, custom domain support, plugin or theme access, monetization options, and priority support. If you run a blog, focus on content tools and storage. If you're building an online store, pay special attention to e-commerce features and payment integrations. For business sites, priority support and advanced SEO tools can be deciding factors. Use the filters or expandable rows on the comparison chart to dig deeper into any line item you're unsure about. Many plans show example use cases or short explanations next to each feature. Those help you understand practical benefits, not just technical names. Be mindful of pricing and billing cycles. Some plans are billed monthly, while others offer a discount for yearly payments. Check renewal rates, cancellation policies, and any promotional pricing that might change when you renew. If you're comparing plans across multiple sites, note whether WordPress allows site migration or plan changes without losing content. If you still aren't certain, consider starting with a lower tier plan that you can upgrade later. WordPress makes it easy to switch plans as your needs grow, so picking something that covers your essentials now and leaves room to expand is often the best approach. Once you've chosen a plan, follow the on-screen prompts to complete checkout and apply the plan to your site. After activation, revisit your dashboard settings to enable any new features and confirm your domain. Storage or plugin options are working as expected. Comparing plans doesn't have to be overwhelming. By focusing on the features you need, checking billing terms, and starting with a flexible option if you're unsure, you'll find the right plan for your site faster. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. If you want, I can make a guided comparison for common website types. Just let me know which one you're building.